शुरू करता हूँ क्या? Hi guys, my name is Vinod.
Hello.
Hi. Today I would like to share with you something very special to me, my love story. So I once had a girlfriend. What do you think is the keyword in this sentence?
Once.
Yeah, thank you. Very obvious, right? I only once had a girlfriend. She is no more. I mean, no more my girlfriend. She is alive. I broke up with her. That's the story I would like to share with you today. So 2 years ago, I moved to Mumbai. I am from Chennai, out of love for the city. And when I moved to Mumbai, this city gave me new love. This girl, she became my girlfriend. So मेरा हिंदी ऐसा है, जब मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ मेरा एक्सेंट से एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा, ठीक है? But this girl made me write a शायरी in Hindi.
Wow.
It goes like तुम हो सुंदर,
Wow.
मैं हूँ बंदर. We met in Bhayandar. उसके पहले Tinder. I mean, I think it's Bumble. Anyways, the thing is like this girl is so beautiful. Sometimes I wonder, am I dreaming? Is she really my girlfriend? They say Mumbai is the city of dreams, right? What if this city is making me have this dream? But one day I realized I was not dreaming, because once she came in my real dream. Dream real nahi hai, but you understand, right? In my dream, like she was telling me, "Hey Chennai Express, my birthday is coming. What are you planning to give me on my birthday?" I was like, "Fuck! I don't give people anything on their birthdays except my aunts. Aunts matlab aisa nahi. I give them handshake. Happy birthday." So, but I realized I need to give this girlfriend something because she gifted me herself, right? So that is when like I was thinking like I got too emotional and I'm in too much love with her, so I thought of buying her a diamond ring. So then I was like, Vinod, sabar karo. Your financial status is such that you cannot even afford almond. Diamond to dur ki baat hai. So then I was thinking like they say real love you cannot have a price tag on it, right? So I wanted to give her something that also doesn't have a price tag, because forget about price tag, I did not have money. So I was like thinking, बचपन समय में I had this skill. I was so good at drawing. Even during my school days, I won the first prize in a drawing competition. I was the only one who participated. But the story is like I drew this Minnie Mouse. Do you know there are Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse?
Yes.
वो दोनों का फर्क? Do you know the difference?
The bow.
Yeah, Minnie Mouse has this ribbon-like thing, right? But I drew this Minnie Mouse without a ribbon, but people recognized it was Minnie Mouse because I made that mouse pregnant. Like not biologically, मेरा drawing skills ऐसा है, it became pregnant, and my friends were like, Vinod, तेरा हाथों में जादू है यार. You made this mouse pregnant even without the help of Mickey Mouse. So I remember that incident and I wanted to draw this girl. I drew her for 2 days and finally she looked like Vidya Balan, yeah, but from Bhool Bhulaiya. So like ठीक है, then I thought like enough with this cheesy moosey thing. So I wanted to research on Google and Quora on what to gift her. Finally I came up with this conclusion. I decided to give her one thing which most girls have or would like to have. What do you think? One thing that most girls have? It's attitude. Just kidding. Like every girl would love to have handbag. So I visited Vashi, Espada showroom in Inorbit Mall in Vashi. So I entered this showroom of handbags. Bapre, that was the first time I was introduced to this world where there were itna sare collections of handbags. Like I was panicking. It was like the only thing which I know that has more collections than that is condom. So like I entered this place, I told myself this dialogue from 3 Idiots. Not I am the 4th idiot, not that. All is well, all is well. But nothing was well. Everything was damn expensive. इतना छोटा handbag है, उसका price was like इतना बड़ा है. Like also I did not know what to buy. It's like I am this type of a person who doesn't even buy a carry bag. So every time when I shop and dresses, if I buy, if the bill counter में एक आदमी बोलते हैं carry bag के लिए extra 15 rupees, I will tell him रहने दो buy. I will carry the dresses in my hand, go to the McD store nearby and get a free paper bag. So I was like, I cannot do this. So but there was 50% discount, so I had to buy something. Love के लिए डिस्काउंट नहीं है लेकिन हैंडबैग के लिए होते हैं. So like after much मेहनत से I started stalking all the girls, looking at the handbags that they were choosing, and finally I bought one thing. इतना मेहनत से I thought it was beautiful, and suddenly one girl approached me out of nowhere, not to propose to me, but to talk to me. She was like, "Bhai, whom are you buying this handbag for?" I said, "For my girlfriend." She was like, "Such में girlfriend, really?" I panicked for a moment. I thought she was this friend of the girl. I thought like, yeah, I think she is my girlfriend. Confirmation pending है लेकिन request तो डाल चुका है. And like she was like, अरे भाई old नहीं है. This handbag is थोड़ा old है. You can gift it for old people like your mother. For a moment I thought, should I make my girlfriend mother first? But discount will not be available for 9 months. So I was like, ठीक है रहने दो. I kept that handbag. I was like, बाप रे, she saved me. Then I found another handbag. I took that and I went to ask the same girl, how is this handbag? But that girl was not there. She was at the billing counter buying the handbag which she told me not to buy. She bought it for herself. I was like, that day I lost trust with girls. Right? I don't trust girls anymore. Yeah. Anyways, girls also don't trust me. So minus into minus plus होता है. लेकिन मेरे पास plus one नहीं है. जिंदगी में भी ये open mic में भी. So anyways. So I found another handbag and one more girl told me, hey Vinod, this handbag is not good, don't buy this. But this time I wanted to buy because I don't want to, मुझे धोखा एक बार मिला ना. So I decided this time I will not fall for this. So I bought that handbag and I gave it to my girlfriend. She broke up with me. Because that girl who said that this handbag is not good was actually my girlfriend. But the actual reason why she broke up with me was, you know, right? We have this tradition when we buy a handbag or a wallet, we don't give it to someone empty-handed, right? We keep some money inside. In my case, I could not keep money inside because all the money was outside. The handbag was the money. So like what I did was I kept some antique stuff in there. And I gave it to that girl. She hugged me for the very first time. I mean, she hugged me many times. मेरे सपनों पे पहला बार जिंदगी पे. So she hugged me for the first time and then she opened the handbag and she saw those antique and she got frustrated. Like I thought it was antique, that 25 paise coin, 50 paise coins, oh antique होते हैं. But she was like, hey Vinod, this is not what I expected. You should have kept some 200 rupee note at least. I was like, fuck, yeah, handbag to 2200 rupees and you expect me to keep 200 rupees inside. This is not working. And she left. I like called her and she said, we are not meeting, we are not dating, we break up. Then I tried calling her next day, not to console her, but to ask her the handbag back, so that I could give it at least to another girl or to get the money back. But she did not do that, and that is how I broke up with that girl. And अभी मेरा पास handbag भी नहीं है, हाथों में लड़की भी नहीं है. This is my story. Thank you.